Maybe it's a blowhole. We are southbound. We are heading out of Oregon. We won't get out of Oregon today, but wow.
You have to watch the salt bar for sure.
You'll definitely have to hit a car wash after the coast. So I think our plan is to head down the coast. We got a couple nice days and then storms are coming in, so we're gonna head far enough south that we don't have to go over any snowy passes as we make our way east. We are in Bandon, Oregon, and we stopped at Ballard State Park. Dave is going to try some fishing just over the dunes here. Seafoam! Ooh, it's like a seafoam tumbleweed. Well, that was fishing in Bandon for you. It was brisk, but wasn't that seafoam cool?
See any venomous snakes?
Oh yeah, was it Australia that had the seafoam with the snakes in it? No, but it was like seafoam tumbleweeds. It was so cool.
That was tough to fish. It was just too much tidal surge right there. Just...
I'm gonna call it the new method of cast and dash. It wasn't effective, but it was a method.
Don't cast and dash.
It's hard because you can't pack waders in here.
Yeah.
It's just they're just too big.
I wouldn't go out in this water here. It's just a little bit too steep, and when the surf's this big,
yeah.
when those big waves come in real far like that, they
suck you back out.
They can suck you out if you're out there in your waders in knee-deep water even.
No good.
So.
Well, let's head on south. Here in Bandon, Oregon, there's a cool project called Washed Ashore, and it's these sculptures they've made out of plastics and garbage that has washed up on the beaches. So we're gonna check those out here. That's really cool.
Every coastal community should do something like that.
Yeah, and it's eye-opening how much trash actually washes up here. It's crazy. Well,
We're not in California yet, are we?
no.
Okay.
South we go.